In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. If you're setting up analytics on a website, the GA4 tracking code is what connects your site to Google Analytics. In GA4, that tracking code has two key parts, the measurement ID, which uniquely identifies your data stream, and the Google tag, which is the code snippet you can install on your site. Let's walk through exactly where to find both. Start by opening Google Analytics and signing in. Once you're in, look for the admin area, which you can access from the gear icon at the bottom left of the interface. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct account and the correct GA4 property. Since settings are organized by account and property, the panel you want is the one labeled property. Inside the property column, open data collection and modification. From there, select data streams. This is where GA4 organizes the different sources that send data to your property, such as web and apps. Choose the web data stream that corresponds to your website. If you have more than one, pick the one with the correct domain. On the stream's details page, you'll see your measurement ID near the top. It typically starts with a G prefix. That identifier is part one of your tracking code. Click the measurement ID to open more options related to your Google tag. Now scroll down to the section labeled Google tag. This area centralizes tag settings and shows you the different ways you can implement the tag. Click View Tag Instructions to open the installation guidance provided by Google. In the panel that appears, choose the Install Manually tab. This reveals the full code snippet for the Google tag, which includes your measurement ID inside it. This snippet is what you'd copy if you plan to place the code directly on your site's pages. The measurement ID and the Google tag together represent the GA4 tracking code you came to find. A few quick tips as you review this page. Double check that the domain listed on the stream matches your site, and note that GA4 may show additional implementation options in separate tabs if you use a platform or a tag management solution. If you don't see the options you expect, confirm you're in a GA4 property rather than an older Universal Analytics property. That's it. You now know exactly where to locate your GA4 measurement ID and the full Google tag code within Google Analytics.